Hey there, grade 10s. This is a quick video to show you how to use an online simulation to do some learning from home. So you're going to go to PhET, P-H-E-T. It's pretty easy to find. And then you're going to go to Simulations, Chemistry, and Balancing Chemical Equations. Okay, if you press this play button, it should just launch. It's pretty simple to get it working. But if for whatever reason it's not working, you can try downloading it. That's another option. It'll download a file which you click on and it launches the simulation. If you're working on a tablet or a phone, I think it should still work. You just need to go to it in your browser to this web address. There is an app, but it costs $1.29, so you don't have to spend any money. Although it is a really good app for learning science stuff. Anyway, so let me show you how the simulation works. So you're going to go to Game, and you're going to play this game until you get a good score, and then you're going to send me your score. You're going to do level 1, and then when you finish level 1, you're going to do level 2. Or the other option is you can skip them and go straight to level 3 and just do it once. And then so that's fewer questions if you want to go straight to level 3, but they're harder. So I don't know, it might take you longer. Not totally sure. So let me show you how it works. Here's level 1. So down here we have a chemical equation which needs to be balanced. Now you're going to have at least one of each of these things. So I'm going to add one of each of them. So let me just take a look at this. So we've got C2H2. It looks to me, I think the big gray ones are the carbons, the C. So there's 2 carbons here and 2 hydrogens, and then there's 2 more hydrogens there. And then on the right side, we have 2 carbons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens. I guess I didn't need to count that because it's right here, H6. Now it's not balanced because there's more hydrogens on the right side than there are on the left side. So I could fix this right now, but let me just show you what happens. If I press check, it tells you you're wrong, and you can go back and try again, or you can get a little hint if you click on show Y, and it's going to show you this scale. So hydrogen is the part that's unbalanced. There's more on the right side, so the scale is tilted to the right. So let me go back and try to fix that. I'm going to try again. I'm going to increase the hydrogens here. Now we have 6 on the left side, and it looks good to me. So check, and it's correct. Now before you move on, before you click next, you have to write down your balanced chemical equation on a piece of paper or in a Google Doc, and this is what you're going to submit on Google Classroom. Now you have to do this. You can't just get it from a friend because the quiz randomizes the questions. So if you send me this exact same chemical formulas as one of your friends, then I know that you guys shared your answers. So you have to do it yourself. And yeah, so just write down your equations. And then let me just show you one more example, okay? So here we have PCl5, PCl3, and Cl2. So I'm not going to use the hint this time. I'm just going to look at it. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green atoms. That's the chlorine. On the right side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. And then the orange ones, well, there's only one on each side, so it actually looks like it's balanced already. And so look, you can see that I got 2 points here. Oh yeah, and I wanted to mention, so if you use the hint, you only get 1 point, and if you use the hint more than once, then you get 0 points. So the quiz will give you a different score depending on if you figure it out, from the start or whether you're using the hint. But if you get a bad score, you can go back and just try it all over again and just send me the score of the one that you did well on. So that's pretty much it. Read the instructions on the assignment and get to it. Okay, bye.